Daily vehicle safety checks should be carried out before any work-related journey. These checks only take a few minutes, but they play a vital role in preventing breakdowns, accidents and unsafe situations on the road. The first thing to check is the tyres. Look for good tread depth, no cuts, bulges, and make sure the tyre pressures are correct. Underinflated or damaged tyres are a major cause of incidents and can seriously affect braking and steering. Next, check the lights and indicators. Make sure the headlights, brake lights, indicators and all the hazard lights work properly. Faulty lights make it harder for other road users to see you and can lead to enforcement by the police. You should also check the windscreen and mirrors. They must be clean, undamaged and free from anything that obstructs your view. Make sure that wipers work properly and that there is enough washer fluid, especially in winter. Check the vehicle's fluid levels, including oil, coolant and fuel. Running low on any of these can lead to breakdowns or engine damage. If your vehicle uses AdBlue, make sure the levels are sufficient before setting off. Before driving, test the brakes and steering feel normal. If the vehicle pulls to one side, makes unusual noises or feels unsafe in any way, it must not be driven until checked by a competent person. If you're carrying tools, equipment or parcels, check the load is secure. Unsecured loads can shift during the journey, affecting the stability of the vehicle and posing a danger to you and other road users. Finally, check all safety equipment is present if required, such as first aid kits, warning triangles, fire extinguishers or breakdown kits. These are especially important for those who drive long distances or work in remote areas.